Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will learn a new lesson from CBC class 6th English. The name of lesson is How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. This book, this lesson has been taken from book Honeysuckle. And let's see something about the introduction of the lesson. It is in the form of story. How the dog found himself a new master. This is an interesting humorous story that teaches us one should learn and lead and live his life freely. This story of a dog teaches us how the dog became servant for the man. The dog lived with initially wolf, then bear, thereafter lion, and then he was living with man. This journey, how it ends with the servant of man, will be seen in this lesson. This lesson deals with a theme that is one should be free to live and lead a life. So in this lesson there are few characters. They are as follows. The central character is dog, and the dog lives with at the beginning with wolf. Thereafter he doesn't want to live with wolf, and then he go with bear to live. But bear is also frightened and afraid of lion, then he choose to live with lion. Thereafter, lion is also afraid of a hunter, a man, and therefore he want to become the servant of man. This journey of dog to be a servant to human being could be witnessed, could be seen in this lesson. In this lesson, some difficult words will come. The first difficult word is pleased, means not happy. Second word is freedom. Freedom means liberty. Next word is wandering, means to move here and there. Frighten means afraid of. Servant, attendant or helper. Master, owner or ruler. Kinsman, old-fashioned word for a relative. Few more words. Of herd of cows, a group of cows. Mooing, sound made by cows. This is the sound of cows as a moo. Terrible means horrible. In a panic, a strong feeling of fear. So here we have an explanation of this test. The main character in the story is dog, and now dog is not happy to live with his companion, that is the wolf. Dogs were once their own masters. Dog lived freely to be independent and to be the owner, to be the king himself. But he thought of having a master. He wanted to serve for somebody, to help him by someone. So he decided to have a search for master. And while living the way wolf lived, he was imitating, he was copying the living style of wolf. And he wanted to become a free creature like a wolf. Until a dog was born and who was ill pleased with the way of life. But to be lived in a forest and freely and wandering, he was ill pleased. He was unhappy. So, being sick and tired of wondering about himself, looking for the, especially the food, he was frightened of those who were stronger than he. But when he was to search the food, find the food for himself, he have to afraid, he have to be frightened by the stronger animals around. So he firmly thought of having as a master. Then the dog decided to be a servant of wolf in the beginning. After a long walk and search, he met one of his relative, and this relative was none but a wolf, who was not only strong but also had a frightening look. He asked the dog where he was going. The dog replied that he was looking for a master, and if the wolf would like to be the one, and the wolf agreed, and two went on together. Here, the dog is requesting Wolf to become his master, and Wolf agreed to be his master. After walking a long distance in their journey, suddenly the wolf sniffed, he smelled, and moved quickly and went deeper into the forest. Here, the wolf frightened of something, and he was detecting, he was seeing something around, and he was trying to hide, he was trying to go somewhere out of sight. The dog was unable to understand what the behavior he is doing here. So he asked his master, that is wolf, what was affecting him, what is the troubling you. Then the wolf told him, then the wolf told the dog that there was a bear that might eat them. Here, the wolf is afraid of bear. Here, we can see in the picture, bear is with the dog. Here, the dog is thinking of having the bear as his master. On realizing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog changed his mind, and he left the wolf and turned to be a master of bear. He asked him to be his master. The bear agreed like wolf, and easily they decided to stay together. He suggested him to search for a herd of cows so that he could kill a cow to fill their stomachs. So the bear told a small work to dog, find out the herd of the group of cows so that they may have one cow killed and they can fill the stomach. But the cows were afraid of lion, and when the bear and the dog saw the lion is approaching, the panic developed in them. But while looking for a group of cows, and they were running and rushing, so the bear and the dog became afraid. So after walking some distance, the bear and dog noticed a group of cows, but as they tried to approach, go near to the group of cows, they were stopped by a horrible, very much bad noise made by the cows. So, cows were moving aloud and were running here and there because of fear. So who was chasing them? The cows were chased by the lion. So the bear looked from behind and tree, started running quickly into the dense forest, and he told the dog that this part of the forest was ruled by the lion, and he was strongest and the most powerful animal on this earth. The dog was surprised to hear this, and he immediately left the bear and he went to the lion to request him to become his master. So lion says that no one was brave enough than lion. So the now dog turned to the lion and requested him to be his master. The lion accepted happily, and the dog started staying with the lion and started serving him for a long duration. But though he felt good and enjoyed his life in the company of lion, he had nothing fair but complain. Now he was with the strongest master, so he had no any fear of other animals. Here no one was brave enough to upset him, told the lion. But one day, what happened? When the two of them, this lion and dog, were in wandering in the jungle together at that time with a steep rock, the lion stopped instantly, immediately, and he roared aloud and struck the ground with his paws so intensely that a hole was formed there. After that, he was a backfoot. The lion smelled something, it was a danger, and he roared in his own style of king. But the lion noticed there is hunter. That's why he felt the threat and the fear, and he wanted to go back. Surprisingly for the dog asked his master lion if anything was wrong. The lion told him that a man was coming their way and that they must run to save themselves. Hearing this, the dog told him, no, no, I won't want to live with you because you are afraid of someone. I will change my master from you to you. And he said goodbye to lion. And then the dog wanted the strongest master on the earth in the form of a man as his master. So ultimately, the dog says that I found my master. Now the dog went to be with the man and he stayed with him for a long time and he became there his servant, and he tried to be his true friend and honest friend. This incident took place the way back, but till date the dog is man's most faithful, honest servant we are witnessing. So, children, this is how we have seen the journey of a dog to become the servant for man. So, hereby we conclude a lesson that with a good message that one should be happy whatever it may be, because it is a freedom. One should not be in a verge and dream of slavery. So one should be happy with what we have, and one should run after. We should not run after the happiness or slavery. So I hope you understood this lesson, and I conclude with a thanks. Thank you.